Your Zendesk SLAs are telling you how fast your team responds to customers. But they're hiding which internal team is actually causing your breaches. Most support leaders have been flying blind for years because standard SLAs and group SLAs do completely different jobs. Zendesk has two types of SLA policies, and confusing them is one of the most common mistakes in support operations. Standard SLAs face your customers. Group SLAs face your internal teams. Use the wrong one, and you get blind spots. A standard SLA is your customer-facing promise. It tracks 5 metrics: first reply time, next reply time, total resolution time, request await time, and agent work time. These are the commitments in your contracts and the targets your team is measured against. Once configured, standard SLAs appear directly in your Zendesk ticket views as a live countdown. Sort by SLA ascending to instantly surface the tickets closest to breaching, so your team always knows where to focus. Group SLAs work differently. They're internal agreements, also called operational level agreements, that measure how long a ticket sits with a specific team before being reassigned or resolved. They track just one metric: ownership time. And when a ticket moves to a new group, the clock resets. In your Zendesk Admin Center, you can set ownership time targets for each group by ticket priority. Finance might get 4 hours for urgent escalations, while product gets 24 hours for bug verification. Each group is accountable for its own window. Here's the sharpest way to see the difference. Standard SLAs require Suite Professional at $115 per agent monthly, while Group SLAs require Enterprise at $169. That $54 jump per agent is significant, which is exactly why you should only add Group SLAs when you genuinely need internal handoff visibility. Standard SLAs cover the vast majority of support scenarios. Use them when a single team owns tickets end-to-end, when you have customer contracts to honor, or when you need different targets for email versus live chat. They're also the right tool for VIP customer tiers and complex routing conditions by tag or form. Group SLAs become essential when tickets travel between multiple internal teams. Think about a refund request. Support verifies eligibility, finance approves the refund, then support closes the ticket. Without a group SLA, you can't see that finance held the ticket for 3 days and caused the breach. The most sophisticated setups layer both policy types. Standard SLAs track the customer promise, the 8-hour resolution for urgent tickets. Group SLAs track internal efficiency. Finance has 2 hours, product has 4. When a breach happens, you can immediately see which layer failed. Even experienced admins make the same mistakes. Tickets without a priority set are silently skipped by SLAs. Using calendar hours instead of business hours destroys your metrics overnight. And setting targets without 90 days of historical data means you're just guessing, and those targets will fail. The fastest way to hit your first reply time target is to eliminate the wait entirely. eesel AI integrates directly with Zendesk. Its AI agent handles common questions in seconds, while the AI copilot drafts accurate replies for complex tickets using your knowledge base. You can even run a simulation against your historical tickets before going live. Better SLA performance doesn't require more headcount. Connect eesel AI to your Zendesk in minutes, test it against real tickets, and see the impact before you commit. Start your free 7-day trial at eesel.ai.